Good morning. Today I am at BETT in the XL London. I have no idea what to expect other than the fact that this looks huge. It's not opened yet, but today I'm going to be exploring around BETT, showcasing all sorts of different stands, features, things that you can see inside the event. So follow me along and let's see what is inside. Slight problem, my printer was broken at home.
Absolutely fine.
That's fine, okay.
You can do your collection here. If you've got your code and everything like that, you can do your collection here.
Perfect.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we've made it to the event. The badge is collected. I've managed to do it so that I've got my business name on my badge, which is always exciting because that's just opened recently. And yeah, still got primary school teacher because I still feel like I'm a primary school teacher at the moment. Those are the doors. I have no idea where I'm going, what I'm doing. So let's see what's inside.
Please give them a warm round of applause.
What sort of taskmaster do you think you're going to be channeling today, Stephen?
Authoritative.
Congratulate BETT on their 40th anniversary. That really is a remarkable achievement.
The event has officially started, as you can see. Very busy. Just been to go and see Stephen Fry at the opening event and the secretary, the Department for Education, which is extremely interesting. Stephen Fry definitely has a wealth of knowledge, and I felt like I was almost too dumb to actually be at the event listening to him. He was using words I've never actually heard of. So here at the moment, as you can see, very, very busy, lots of different people around, and definitely come to life now. So come with me to check out all of the different stands.
The systems that you can start to use.
Bring a sticker, they have to choose space. So dogs in space.
So it has been an incredibly busy day so far, with lots of different things going on. I've been to a panel at the teaching and learning area talking about AI and assessment for learning, and I feel like I've been wandering around now for about 2-3 hours, and I've only really scratched a third of one of the halls. So it is absolutely incredible just how big this whole event is and what there is to offer here at BETT. I'm hoping to see some other things that they have on offer here, such as like the tech user labs, the fish bowls I believe is one of the things too. But for today, just kind of wandering around and hoping that I see the things that I should be seeing. Tomorrow is my big day of different talks and things like that, but I'm just really familiarising myself and just kind of blown away at the moment by just how much there is inside this hall. Okay, so this is table talks and specifically fish bowls. So in the background you can see people are talking. I believe that with the fish bowls you're allowed to just kind of join in with the conversation. However, I also think that there's a panel kind of thing that you listen to first and then you're able to contribute from there. So this topic of conversation at the moment is should mobile phones be used, and if you're a primary teacher you'll know who this guy is. This is Tiny. So that's the sort of things you see here. I'm currently in the countries, so different countries, EdTech, showcasing different things that they get up to, which is a little bit like Expo 2020, however, just showcasing EdTech that comes from that specific country. Really interesting to sort of see. All the different things that are being shown here. So you've got, behind me, you've got France, you've got Turkey, Korea, and then over there you've got countries such as Saudi Arabia and things like that. So this, for me, having filmed videos about Expo 2020 before, is quite unique. Definitely interesting to wander around and just kind of see what's being showcased by different countries. Talking about Expo 2020, obviously Saudi Arabia are going to be doing their Expo, or 2030, they're going to be showcasing all sorts of amazing things too. So definitely going to be an interesting country coming up. This is absolutely busy, and it's such a privilege to come to something like this, because think of all the different things that go on in schools on a day-by-day basis. To crazy that we don't quite get to see many of the things that happen behind the scenes, whether it's through an edtech perspective, through an education perspective. There's lots of different CPD that's been going on, and so busy at every single stand. But I don't know if you've quite gotten used to the fact that. So I just don't know where to start with showcasing all the different things that are going on here, because there is just so much. Like just walking down here, that's one small section. Now I'm into another section, and this is just one of the 2 halls that are available within this event. It's absolutely huge, with companies doing all sorts of amazing things, and hopefully this video has just showcased just a small snippet of different things that are on offer, some of the different freebies, and some of the amazing things that go on throughout the day. I feel like this video has not done BETT justice, but it's because it's been so busy, so chaotic, so eventful, but in all of the best ways possible. The final step on my agenda for today is to create one of the Canva bags. I've been here a couple of times, always been absolutely rammed. I think you can create a design on Canva and then come away with one of their tote bags, which is really cool. So that is the plan. We're going to get sorted on one of those, get the bag printed down there, and then come away. So, what an event. So BETT themselves have put me up in this room. Let me give you a quick room tour. There we go. It's even got like a little kitchenette area. Solid through here. Happy day. I'll give you a better tour than that, come on. Right. You get the idea. So, what a day. It's been so busy, so busy. So many different things. As you can see, the bag did come off from Canva, so that's nice. So if you go onto this now, this scans through to YouTube. Happy days. Thank you very much, Canva, and I've got all my other bits and pieces in there. I've got loads of different things that I feel like I need to do. Here is some of the swag from day one. Let me get things out. I'm using one hand here. So this is a Brisk Teaching t-shirt. That's happy days. Let's put that over there. I also have a hat from the wonderful people at Ed Puzzle. So that'll go on there. That's pretty cool. I've not actually bought a hat, so that's always good. This bag is looking amazing. I know where to go tomorrow to get all of the good swag as well, so that's going to be good. I'm going to meet Adam Hill, who is a creator online, and he makes all sorts of edtech content, STEM content. Meet him from Nando's. Oh my god, that would be so good. Just a little cheeky Nando's to finish the day is going to be perfect. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've given you a little bit of a snippet of what BETT is about, or some of the different things that are available. There is so much, and if you're ever in a position where you're like, okay, maybe I'll go to BETT, and you have the opportunity, just do it. Like, there are so many opportunities to connect with people, but take this as a lesson from me. You need to try and connect with people before you come to the event. Set up things, because I kind of felt like at some points I was just wandering around and then I'd meet people. Whereas having meetings booked in so they know who I am in advance and things like that, that would definitely be worthwhile if you ever are in a similar position, just to make the most of your time. Mistake I made so that you don't have to. That's the whole point of this channel, is to just help one person out there. If you found these videos useful, feel free to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in another video. I need to go and get some food. I'm out.